with me, Ismailova Slava, Grand Capital Financial Analyst. Today, as usually, we are going to start with our first currency pair, Euro US dollar. The pair remains on the downside, and the RSI is mixed to bearish. Suggest short positions below 1.343 with targets at 1.331 and 1.3275. The upside penetration of 1.343 will call for a rebound towards 1.348 and 1.354. Euro rises after stronger than expected German IFO, with Euro US dollar climbing back to the day's highs at 1.3394. The German IFO Business Climate Index came at 106.6 above the 105.1 expected, while the Current Conditions Index printed 116.7 above the 114.9 seen. Other sentiment-linked currencies also get a lift, with Australian dollar, US dollar, and Great Britain pound, US dollar also edging higher. Weekly chart, Euro US dollar trend is bearish. The next currency pair for today is US dollar Japanese yen. The pair consolidates below its resistance and their RSI is mixed, calling for caution. Suggest short positions below 77.35 with 76.85 and 76.7 as next targets. The upside penetration of 77.35 will call for a rebound towards 77.6 and 77.75. Weekly chart, US dollar Japanese yen trend is bearish. Intraday Great Britain pound, US dollar. The pair remains under pressure below its key resistance at 1.561 and should post further weakness. Suggest short positions below 1.561 with targets at 1.5495 and 1.5435. The upside breakout of 1.561 will open the way to 1.569 and 1.574. Weekly chart, Great Britain pound, US dollar trend is bearish. The next currency pair is US dollar Swiss franc. The RSI is mixed to bullish. Suggest long positions above 0.863 with targets at 0.88 and 0.888 in extension. Below 0.863, look for further downside with 0.8545 and 0.844 as targets. A weekly chart, US dollar Swiss franc trend is bullish. And intraday Australian dollar US dollar is the last for today. The RSI has struck against a major resistance around 70% and is reversing down. Suggest short positions below 1.0385 with targets at 1.028. Not too far, sorry, and 1.018 in extension. Above 1.0385, look for further upside with 1.0445 and 1.0475 as targets. Weekly chart, Australian